Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie here. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do make sure to subscribe, and yeah, welcome to my channel, guys. So today, as you can tell by the title, I have my unboxing for you, my GlossyBox unboxing. So it's the September unboxing, and we're just gonna go straight right into the video and start unboxing, guys. I can't wait to see what I've got. I do know that I think there's another Huda Beauty product in here. I think her skincare line, I think. So let's have a look and see what we've got in the box.
It looks jam-packed and everything. So
normally there is like an information booklet in the box, but there's none. I'm guessing that must have been in error or something. But yeah, there's none in here as well, like in the box. There's only the wishful little thing, this little one here. That's a bit weird, but that's fine. But yeah, so guys, there's nothing. Unfortunately, I won't be able to tell you the cost of everything because I've not got the little information booklet that's in there. I'll try and find out the cost of everything and put it in the description box down below if I can. But yeah, guys, sorry, because there's no information booklet, which is a little bit random, okay? But this has never happened, so I'm guessing it's an error while they were packing and stuff. Anyway, so we've got Generation Skin. This is a eye patch, I believe, is energizing, hydrating, and brightening. So it says eye patches and everything, so that's what's in there. One pair of eye patches. This is a coffee scrub, and this is by Mind Tan. Yeah, Mind Tan. And yeah, this is a coffee scrub, exfoliating scrub for buttery smooth soft skin. And yeah, so it's a little coffee scrub. Can't wait to check that out. So this time we've got an Advent product again. It does look, it's the moisturizer of I believe the scrub that I had from the very first time. So this is the Advent Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Dual Moisturizer and everything. So I can't wait to try that out. And we've got this right here. Sorry guys, don't think you can really see it. So yeah, we've got this right here, and this is Imperial Leather Framing Bust Ultimate Moisture. So 3-day long lasting moisturization, and this is golden amber and coconut oil, instantly smooth, softer and smoother skin, whipped cream body wash. So this is a body wash, I believe, but a moisturizing body wash, I believe. So yeah, there's that one. And yeah, this is the little wishful product, because I remember there was like a sneak peek on their Instagram. So yeah, this is the Yo Glow scrub, and yeah, it's a little 20 ml and everything like that. So cute and everything. That's by Huda Beauty. And oh, look at that, we've got chocolate. We've got a little chocolate bar in here this time around, and that's cute. I need chocolate, to be fair. I've been wanting to have chocolate. I had some chocolate yesterday. I'm definitely gonna have some today. I think they just added that as a little, I don't know, complimentary product or something, because obviously I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So I'm guessing this is just a little complimentary. Thanks, GlossyBox. So yeah, thank you so much, GlossyBox, for that. I will try and find out how much everything is for you guys. And like I said, I'll leave it in the description box down below. This box was pretty cool, and I can't wait to try it out, especially the wishful. And I actually can't wait to try out the moisturizer as well. Definitely want to try out this coffee scrub. Like I said, I've been seeing it everywhere, so I want to try it and give a little try myself. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I do hope that you've enjoyed it and everything, and if you haven't done so already, please do make sure to like, comment and subscribe down below and join the family and my journey on YouTube. Right guys, I shall see you in my next video. Bye.